Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to code guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix and then how to solve guys vibrate problem on Poco phone. Friends, your phone vibrate when you tap. Friends, you can see my phone vibrate when I tap on my phone button. So man, how can I solve guys my phone vibrate on tap problem on my Poco phone device? Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, first we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So how to fix vibrate problem? Friends, we can fix from sound and vibration setting. Friends, open your phone sound and vibration. After on sound and vibration friends, you can see silent mode, do not disturb, vibrate for calls, vibrate in silent mode. Friends, last option, vibrate on tap setting. Friends, you can see strong, medium and light and off. Friends, you will have to only tap on off option, and once your phone vibrate problem will solve. Friends, your phone will not vibrate when you will tap and when you will click any phone buttons. Friends, you can see phone will not vibrate. Friends, you can check guys. So friends, when you will on get the setting again, so friends, you have this your vibrate on tap setting. Friends, I will on a strong one. Friends, you can see phone vibrate. So guys, when you will off, where this problem will fix. And guys, now you can use your Poco phone without any vibrate setting. So I hope friends you understood how to fix vibrate on tap, and friends you can fix from your direct status bar. Oh sorry guys, search bar. Friends, search your guys phone vibrate setting here, and we will search your guys vibrate for call, vibrate on tap setting, vibrate in silent mode. So when vibrate on tap, you will have to only off, friends your problem will fix. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope guys you understood how to solve phone vibrate problem on Poco phone device. So bye bye guys.